So someone recently new to jump rope wanted to get some feedback on his form. And I want to show you the video right now, and then we're going to discuss what he can do to improve it. Now, while you're watching this video, what you'll notice is that his arms are really tight towards his body, but then his elbows kind of flare out, and then his wrists are really on the side. This is not an ideal jump rope position, and it seems that he's struggling with his wrists. Now, I want to show you a quick tip on what he needs to do to kind of get the right form. First of all, it's not that your arms need to be tight. It's actually your hands. You want your hands close to your body. So somewhere around here is where I prefer. The best way to find out if your rope is the right length is to just step on it with one foot, even it out, and see where it lands on your body. In this case, mine's pretty short, so it's going right pretty much where my nipples are. But anywhere around this area up to your armpits is pretty good, because once you're in that, it really depends on where you're holding it on the handle. So in my case, because I'm using a pretty short rope, I'm holding it right on the end. Now, once you got that done and you got the length, the next thing to do is to figure out your form. Now, what I recommend he do is keep his hands tight like this. But what you'll notice is my elbows are kind of going back to make that happen. He is sitting like this and trying to jump like this. So you push your elbows back, keep your hands right here. Because when you start doing stuff like the crossovers, they're not going to be way out here. Think about all that distance that you're going to have to cross. If you have it tight like here, you're going to just be able to just move everything right in a nice tight position. So, moral of the story, if you want to keep your hands close to your body, pretty much try to keep it tight, raise your elbows back, and make that your jump. And I'll try to do it on the side to show you where my elbows are. That is the step that you want. And then it makes learning all the different types of moves much easier.